Welcome to another session of revision. The topic is functions again. This is part 4. Please subscribe my channel. So we come to a new question. There is a parabola. There is a straight line. The equations are available. What's our question? Determine the coordinates of C. C is the turning point of the parabola, and also the straight line is also passing through the point C. Now we have the axis of symmetry in the diagram but no information. Now what we do, we have to calculate the turning point of f of x equal to minus x square minus 2x plus 3, an expanded equation. We must know that this turning point C can be calculated by using the axis of symmetry method. We calculate the axis of symmetry first, that is the x coordinate of C. What's the formula for that? X equal to minus b over 2a. We substitute a and b, we get minus 1. Use your calculator and get the answer very fast. Now the x coordinate is available. Let's go for the y coordinate. Substitute x equal to minus 1 into the equation. Carefully substitute, use the calculator, and y equal to 4. Therefore, the coordinates of C is minus 1, 4. Same diagram again. Determine the coordinates of A and B. What is A and B? A and B, we can see from the diagram, they are the x-intercepts. For the x-intercepts, we substitute y equal to 0. Therefore, we get the equation minus x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Changing the sign, x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. We factorize or use the formula, and then we get x equal to minus 3 or x equal to 1. Now we can see from the diagram the coordinates of A must be negative 3, 0 and B must be 1, 0. Same diagram, the question continues. Determine the values of M and C. Where is M and C? We have the equation of the straight line gx equal to mx plus c. And we must know that the letter m represents the gradient of the straight line. And the formula on the formula sheet, m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we need 2 points. What are the points available? We have A, we have C, we have E, any 2 of them. We can use A is minus 3, 0, E is 0, 6. So M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Carefully substitute and we get m equal to 2. The y-intercept is very clearly available. The point E is 0, 6. So the y-intercept of the straight line is 6, meaning C is equal to 6. Question continues. Determine the values of x for which f of x times g of x less than 0. We read the graphs. F of x, starting from the left side, we can see f at the point A or before A, f and g are negative. So fx times gx will be negative times negative, which is going to be positive. We are not going to get negative there. So we continue from there. Above the x-axis, both f and g are positive. Until the point B, both these graphs, both f and g are positive. Positive times positive will be positive. So no use. We come to point B. Starting from B, you can see f is negative below the x-axis. And corresponding point upwards along G, we can see G is also. So negative times positive will give us negative. So after the point B, we have f negative, and on the top we can see I have drawn the arrow lines to see that negative times positive gives the answer negative, less than 0. So our x values, the question is to find the x values. Where does we start? After B. Okay. So our final answer is x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 and x element of R. Now we come to a new question. Again, there is a parabola and a straight line. Parabola is fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and the straight line is g. The point A is the turning point, -3, -5, and there is the y-intercept 0, 4. What is our question now? Okay, let's write down the equation of the axis of symmetry of f. Only one mark. Axis of symmetry passes through the turning point, and the x value of the turning point is the equation of the axis of symmetry. Look at the axis of symmetry, and the equation of the axis of symmetry is x equal to -3. Show by calculation that a equal to 1 and b equal to 6. Where are these a and b? It's in the equation of f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. And what is c? C is the y-intercept, which is already there, 0, 4. Now we are going to solve for a and b. What's the method? We have two unknowns, a and b. Then we look for the available points. -3, -5 is a turning point. We don't have the x-intercept to develop the equation, so we depend on the turning point -3, -5, and we know a formula for that. If the turning point is P and Q, PQ, then the formula we can write y equal to a times x minus p whole square plus q. So the x coordinate p and y coordinate q is available. They are available here. Turning point is minus 3, 5. We substitute into this formula. So we get y equal to a times x plus 3 whole square minus 5. We cannot stop the equation there because there is our unknown a. What we do now, we go for and look for the available points there. 0, 4 is available. So we make use of 0, 4. X is 0, y 4. We substitute again into this equation. Therefore, we get 4 equal to 8 times 0 plus 3 whole square minus 5. We simplify, 3 square is 9. Then we get 9a equal to 9. Therefore, a equal to 1. So we got a equal to 1 now. Now we again use that value of a into our equation. We write y equal to 1 times x plus 3 whole square minus 5. Removing the bracket or expanding the bracket, we get x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 5. Modifying the equation, we get y equal to x square plus 6x plus 4. So the coefficient of x is b. So we have b equal to 6. A is already available. Even if the question says c, there is c equal to 4. Okay? G is a tangent because it touches the parabola only at one point. And the gradient of G is 2. The gradient is available, fortunately. Now, what is our question? Determine the coordinates of the point of contact. Point of contact. So what we do? It's a point of intersection. Now we must know the basic method. You want to calculate the point of intersections. You solve the two equations. We have the parabola and the straight line equations. So we have to solve these two equations and calculate the x coordinate and y coordinate for the point of intersection. Solve the two equations simultaneously. So we write x square plus 6x plus 4 equal to 2x, changing it into a standard form. X square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0 on the right side. Now factorize. We factorize this quadratic equation, that is x plus 2 whole square, or we get x equal to minus 2. And the y coordinate, we simply substitute minus 2 into any of these equations. We use the simplest equation, so we get minus 4. Y is minus 4. So the point of contact now is minus 2 minus 4. 4 marks. Good people, I hope you enjoyed this session. You keep on revising, watch these videos and revise again and again. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.